for variant. Guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to download 7-zip. So 7-zip and WinRAR are almost the same, but some people like to use 7-zip for archiving something. So yeah, so here first thing that you're going to do is go to File Explorer, or you can right click and go to Properties, but I'm gonna show you the harder way so you know. And Properties, and here system type 64 and 64 based processor. So you select what you have. If you have 32-bit, select this one. If you have 64, select this. And in my case I'm gonna select 64 variant, so my internet is very bad, but okay. And you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes, you would like to, and click install. And yeah, that is it, guys. It's installed, so you can basically 7-zip and compress and email, add to .zip, add to 7-zip. Yeah, so you can archive things like this with it. And yeah, if you guys want to see my other tutorials, you can check out my channel. And if you need help to get WinRAR also, then you can check out my other tutorial. And that is it, guys. Goodbye.